Okay, OBS is running, up and running steadily, so the stream should be steady as well. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another weekend edition of the White Sponge live stream. My name is David, and as usual, I will be your host for today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's live stream, okay, as we work on that fourth character. So if you have watched the live stream 2 days ago, okay, we have already created some of the animation frames for our fourth character. Okay, so we already have the frames for the idling animation, okay, the moving animation, the stun animation or concuss, okay, which will be played whenever your character gets stunned by enemies or by bosses. And we also have the slippery animation, okay, which is only played in the ice world when your character steps on the bottom floor filled with ice from the boss. Okay, so we still need to do one more animation, or rather we still need to create the animation frames for the animation for the special skill. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so what you see over here is the first animation frame, okay, when she is idling. So using this, we will duplicate it and call it special left 0. Okay, let's just move the layer all the way to the top. Okay, so each and every character or enemy has a lot of, or has many animation frames to make up all of the animations. Okay, which is why we are currently in Photoshop creating the animation frames for the fourth character. Hey, what's up, Spencer? Okay, so this will be the first animation frame when you activate her special skill. Okay, so I have given some thought to the fourth character's special skill. Okay, since her focus or emphasis is on health or defense. Okay, but if we set her special skill to be something related to her health, okay, it would be somewhat imbalanced. Okay, so what we are going to do is to focus on defense instead. Okay, so her special skill, okay, yes, the fourth character is a she. similar to Asuka, who is the third character. Okay, so for the fourth character, okay, whose name is not decided yet. Okay, currently I'm just calling her Eating. Okay, feel free to suggest any names. Okay, any fun names for a female character that has an emphasis on health or defense. Okay, anyway, her special skill, okay, will be defense. So what happens is that when you activate her special skill, okay, she will be, okay, invulnerable for a short moment. Okay, but for that moment she will not be able to move. Okay, so that is the drawback. Okay, so let's create the animation frames for that special skill. Okay, so first, to differentiate it from the idling animation, okay, first we'll change the eyes. Okay, since the eyes, okay, can straight away tell you that, okay, her expression is different. Okay, for example, if you're scared, or if you're surprised, or if you're happy, okay, the look on your eyes is totally different. Okay, and that's why we are going to focus on the eyes first. Okay, starting with the left eye. Okay, so the animation of her special skill will will start from, okay, from her sitting down. So when she sits down, she should be relaxed. So when you are relaxed, your eyes should close slightly. Yeah. Or because when you are excited, okay, your pupils will dilate and in a way increasing your eyes or expanding it. So in reverse, when you are relaxed, it should contract slightly. Okay, but let's try to contract it and see how it goes. Hey, what's up, WS_OB? That is how I'm going to pronounce your name. Konnichiwa. Okay, I take it that your weekend is awesome. Oh, yeah, Ubi is easier to pronounce it since it's shorter. Okay, so I assume that you're having a great weekend so far. Okay, so while we try to contract the eyes, okay, so if you divert your attention to the right side over here, when the mouse cursor is moving, the eyes are thinner now. Okay, but it looks as though something is troubling the character. Or rather, something is upsetting the character. Okay, let's try a different type of eyes. Or rather, let's try to create eyes that point upwards. Okay, since if you have eyes that are pointy towards up, okay, it will indicate that you are in a good mood. So for example, okay, let me just move this down so that we can separate them. Okay, so as I was saying, okay, if your eyes look as though as they are pointing upwards, okay, it indicates that you are in a good mood, okay, or you are happy or smiling. So in reverse, if you have eyes that if you have eyes that point downwards, okay, this usually indicates that you are in a bad mood or something bad has happened, or okay, you are not happy, or maybe you are angry. Okay, so for our special skill, okay, we will use eyes that indicate that the character is happy, okay, because she is invulnerable at that moment, so she is happy that nothing can damage her. Or rather, you can imagine her saying that, hey, you can't touch me, you can't do anything to me. Just for that moment. Okay, so this saying that the eyes, okay, are the door to your soul is somewhat rather accurate. Okay, since you can tell a lot by looking at someone's eyes. Okay, anyway, let's move on to the second frame. Okay, so animations in stars usually consist of multiple frames. Okay, but some of them are at different frame rates. Okay, depending on the animation itself. Okay, so from the first frame, which is this, okay, we'll move to the second frame, which is this. Okay, and lastly, for the last frame, okay, we will show that she is totally sitting on the floor, okay, by hiding her legs. And we will also move her eyes down, okay, by 1 pixel. Okay, so this animation will play only once when you trigger her special skill. So it will go from the first frame, okay, do the second frame and the third frame. Okay, so this will indicate her transition to the invincibility mode. So she will stay like this for a few seconds and she will not be able to get damage in this mode. Okay, so now we need to do the same thing. Okay, for the right side, or rather we need to create the frames for when she is facing the right. Okay, so we cannot just flip the images horizontally. Okay, because if we do that, okay, we are disrespecting the light source. Okay, in the case of stars, the light source is from the top right. Okay, so usually the design of the characters or enemies, okay, their top right corner will be brighter and their bottom left corner will be darker. Okay, so if you just flip the images, the indication of the light source will be totally wrong. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so what we are going to do here is that we are just going to flip the body without flipping the shading on the top left and bottom right. Top right and bottom left. Okay, flip horizontal. Okay, we will need to move the eyes. Okay, and now let's fix the shading. Okay, on the bottom left first. Okay, and now on the top right. Okay, by the way, okay, a new update is coming out for stars in 2 days time. Okay, with Asuka, the third character. Okay, so this new update will only be available for people who have already gotten the game. Okay, so if you want, you can still get it now. Okay, the link is in the description panel below. Okay, and another good news is that Stars is also coming this 13th of February on Desura. So if that is where you want to get it from, okay, you can also do so. Okay, you can already pre-order it now if you want. Okay, from Desura. Okay. Okay, stars will be available from other stores in the near future. Okay, so what I meant by other stores is stores like GOG or maybe Steam if it gets greenlit. Okay, so we are just doing the same thing as what we did just now for the left side. Okay, and now for the last frame. Okay, so this is the animation that will play when you trigger the special skill using your S key. Okay, but now we need to create another animation for the special skill. Okay, and the difference is that this animation will start from the last frame, and this animation will only play when any projectile or any attacks hit your character while she is in this mode. Alright.